Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're at the terminal. Begin now by turning Wi-Fi on and keeping airplane mode off so networks appear. Make sure you have your boarding pass or ID ready because many hotspots use captive portals for verification. Next, open your device's Wi-Fi list and look for the airport's official SSID. It often includes the airport name and free Wi-Fi. Once you select it, your device may show a captive portal notification. Tap that to proceed to the login or terms page so you can continue the connection process. Once the captive portal loads, read any terms briefly and accept them so you can proceed. Many airports ask for an email, phone, or flight number to authenticate. If offered, choose temporary passcodes or login via your airline app for added security rather than typing passwords on unfamiliar forms. Make sure you pick the correct SSID. When multiple similar names appear, check nearby signage or ask staff for the exact network name. After submitting the required info, wait for the portal to confirm access before you should verify access by loading a secure website. HTTPS sites confirm data channels are open. If pages fail to load, clear your browser cache or close and reopen the captive portal page. Sometimes it stalls. If that doesn't work, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or forget the network and reconnect to force a fresh handshake. Make sure to use a VPN for banking or sensitive tasks. If problems continue, ask airport IT or use mobile data. This resolves most authentication or ISP-level issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.